Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Iza binti Najamuddin. Today I want to present my progress slide of final year project, which with the title Light Intensity Effect to Growth Performance and Survival of Tilapia Culture in Greenwater. So basically, these are the contents of the slide, which are introduction, problem statement, objectives, hypothesis, significance of study, materials, methods, review of results, ongoing progress, Gantt chart, and references. Okay, we go to the first content, which is introduction. As we know that uh, our target species that mentioned in the title is Oreochromis niloticus, which is tilapia. This is the taxonomy. Why we choose tilapia? Because tilapia is the most cultured species in aquaculture, and now it is the third most important fish species for aquaculture. Tilapia has become candidate species for aquaculture because of several good qualities such as growth rate. Growth rate is fast, and the taste is also good because until it is called as aquatic chicken. It can also withstand wide fluctuations of environment. Besides, tilapia can able to produce high quality protein from less refined protein sources, thus making them ecologically attractive as sources of animal protein for humans. And the second, and after that, we focus on the green water. As mentioned in previous study 1997, the green water in ponds and other impoundments is colored by dense microalgal populations. Why we choose green water? Because green water in the tank culture of tilapia is a good way to produce tilapia commercially in substitutional of different water bodies and evaluates and improves wastewater treatment efficiency. And besides, in the previous study in 2016, tilapia green water also has been reported to be effective to inhibit pathogen growth. Several parameters affected algal growth, but role of light is very important. So this means that the green water can help in improve the water quality. So the problem statement is tilapia fish is one of the most important fish species in the fisheries world. It is the second most essential group of food fishes in the world after carps, as according to FAO 2018. However, there are different factors that can influence the growth performance of tilapia culture in green water. For example, the light intensity. The light intensity can affect the feed detection, feed conversion rate, and feeding success of the cultured fish. While light is also very important for algal growth, therefore, all these factors can affect fish growth and mortality for tilapia culture in green water. Then we go to the objectives of this project. Is the first one to investigate the effects of light intensity to the growth performance of tilapia and the density of green water. So we want to investigate the light intensity effect to two parameters, which are growth performance of tilapia and green water density. Okay, second objective is to determine the green water quality by culturing tilapia at different light intensity. So the hypothesis from this project is moderate light intensity is the best parameter control for the growth performance of tilapia culture in green water. Not the lowest or not the highest light intensity, but the middle level, the moderate one. Okay, the significance of study is to provide information on the light intensity for optimum growth performance and survival of tilapia culture in green water. So we go to the next content, which is materials and methods. This is a simple experiment. So the materials and methods, the fish selection and acclimatization. After that, the tank setup with different light intensity and green water preparation. Then we do the observation and then the measurement. And the final Methods is the data collection and analysis. So for the fish selection, of course, we choose the healthy fish, and the age group is juvenile with the size of 1 inch, and we put the details of tilapia per tank, and we do the acclimatization for 1 week. So this is the experimental design. We have four treatment group, and and one of it is the control with the light intensity from the environment, and the other three treatment groups with different light intensity, such as 500 lux to 2500 lux and 3500 lux. So basically this is the experimental layout. We use the 7-liter tank, and we arrange the tank like this. Okay, we do the triplicate system, and we put a black cover to the three treatment groups so that it cannot be disturbed by the environment light. Okay, and the other one we didn't put the black cover because it is the control one. Okay, so these are the objective observation parameters: growth performance of tilapia, the body weight, total length, and we take this reading before, in the middle, and after the experiment. And Greenwater density, which is we count the microalgae, and then the survival rate of tilapia, and this experiment take 30 days to complete. Okay, this is the routine works: water quality management, bottom cleaning, feeding management. So, like I have been mentioned earlier, the data collection is road performance. We have body weight, total length, weight gain, specific growth rate, condition factor, the survival rate, and the density of Greenwater. We collect all of this data from the experiment. So the expected results from this project is the growth performance and survival of tilapia exposed to medium light intensity of 2500 lux will be better than that exposed to 500 and 3500 lux. It means that the moderate light intensity is the best among the two light intensity, because the moderate one is good for the growth performance and survival of tilapia. Cannot be lowest and cannot be highest. So ongoing progress is read more journals about the effect of light intensity on the growth performance of tilapia, study the published articles about tilapia green water and fish acclimatization, and experimental tank setup at UMS Fish Hatchery. This is the Gantt chart, which is from the October until the February 2022. So the last content is references. That's all from me. Thank you very much.